It's a great day at Western GMC Buick. We're located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Road in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. Today we're looking at the 2021 Buick Envision Essence. We're going to start by taking a look inside the front of the Envision. The driver's door has power locks, power windows with 2 auto express windows, the child lock button, power adjustable side mirrors, the programmable memory seat, door storage, the power liftgate button where we're able to put that to maximum opening, 3/4 or turn it right off, a 9-speaker premium Bose sound system. To the left of the steering wheel we have the heads-up display button, information tab, and the lighting controls. This is our power adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support, a leather interior, and a power panoramic moonroof up above. Next, I'll climb in and I'll put this in demo mode so that we're able to take a look at the steering wheel and the driver information center. The left of the steering wheel has the cruise control buttons with forward collision alert and a heated steering wheel button. The right side has our audio buttons. This here is the driver information center. We're able to scroll through that dash by using the arrow buttons on the steering wheel. Up above, the programmable garage door opener, power moonroof buttons, and OnStar. This is Buick's Infotainment Center, equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This touchscreen displays the outside temperature, the time. It's also equipped with navigation, and it doubles as our backup camera. We're able to view that by pushing the camera button on the screen. We're able to change our camera view by pushing those buttons at the bottom of the screen. Dual climate control buttons with air conditioning, heated front leather seats, some USB ports and power plug-in, as well as the no-slip matting, auto stop start, hill descent control, lane departure alert, traction control, park assist, and we also have our electronic precision shifting buttons to the left. Park brake and various drive modes. As we push the mode button, it'll appear on our dash and we're able to select our drive mode. At the front of the Envision, we have LED headlamps, a 2-liter turbo engine under the hood, 20-inch aluminum wheels. The side mirrors have side blind zone alert, roof rails up top, rear tinted windows. The door handles have intelligent access, so as long as you've got the key fob on you, push the silver button to lock or unlock the doors. Remote start, the rear window wiper, and at the rear we have the hands-free programmable power liftgate with logo projection. I'm going to use our key fob here, push the button twice to pop that open. In the trunk we have plenty of cargo storage space, cargo hooks, lights on either side, and a spare tire compartment down below. Next, we'll take a look inside the back of this 5-passenger crossover. The passenger door has power windows and door storage. The backs of both front seats have got leather seat pockets. The back of our center console has the rear heated seats button, rear fans, and some USB ports down below. The middle seat folds down into double cup holders or an armrest, and we're able to fold the rear seats down by pulling the lever on the top of the seat. So come take a look at the 2021 Buick Envision Essence today, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at westerngmcbuick.com.